research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and low miles. Features also include steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.